All right, let's talk about something we're all feeling. This crazy, lightning-fast pace of technology. Today, we're diving into virtualization options, which is basically a guide for navigating this digital age. The big question, right, is how do we possibly keep up with it all without getting completely lost in the process? So does this question hit home for you? I mean, if you've ever felt like you're trying to drink from a fire hose of tech news, believe me, you are not alone. It's kind of the defining feeling of our time, isn't it? And yeah, this is why. It's just this constant, relentless stream of buzzwords and breakthroughs. One day, everyone's talking about the cloud, and the next day, boom, a new AI model drops that changes everything. Just keeping track of the names is hard enough, but actually understanding what it all means for your job or for your business, wow, now that's the real challenge. It's pretty clear we're living in the age of information overload. And it's not just us as individuals trying to learn new things. Think about entire organizations trying to adapt. The sheer speed of all this change can make just staying current feel, well, impossible. But what if? What if there was a way to cut through all that noise? Well, that's exactly what Virtualization Options is all about. It's a resource designed specifically to bring some clarity to all of this complexity. So, what's their big mission here? It's pretty simple, actually. It's not about throwing more information at you. It's about helping you manage it. The whole goal is to help us all move from just, hearing about the latest tech to actually understanding what's going on. And, probably most importantly, why it even matters to us. Okay, so the first part of their solution is, honestly, it's powerful because it's so simple. The focus is on making knowledge accessible to literally everyone. We're talking simplified learning, and the best part, it's completely free of charge. And just look at the stuff they cover. It's not just the super deep technical things like networking or AI. They also get into the bigger picture, like the social impact of all this technology, which is huge. The whole idea is to break these massive topics down into simple, easy-to-digest explainers so you can get the main idea in a few minutes instead of spending hours digging. This really breaks down their approach into two clear paths for two different audiences. On one side, for us as individuals, there are all these free courses and explainers to empower anybody. And then on the other side, for entire organizations, they offer something different, specialized, paid advisory services for companies navigating these shifts on a much larger, more complex scale. So let's talk a little more about that second path, the expert help for organizations. This is so crucial for any business caught right in the middle of a digital transformation, when they really need an experienced, steady hand to help guide them through the whole process. I mean, just imagine a company trying to adopt a new AI system. It's never just about the software, is it? No way. You've got to integrate security, plan for training, build a long-term strategy around it. That is where these targeted advisory services become absolutely critical for businesses that don't just want to keep pace, they want to get ahead. And the value they bring is really clear. It breaks down into 3 simple steps. First, they help you gain a fresh outside perspective, to see the blind spots you might miss from the inside. That directly leads to step 2, reducing business risks during implementation. And of course, the ultimate goal, the whole point, is to make sure the new tech actually boosts productivity and delivers a real return on investment. So all of this, it leads to the ultimate return. And we're not just talking about the technology itself. It's really about what that tech can do for your business when it's implemented thoughtfully and strategically with some expert guidance leading the way. And you can hear it straight from the founder, Bob Slovic. He puts it plainly. The aim is to reduce business risks and maximize productivity and return on investment. It really just underscores a super pragmatic, business-first approach. This isn't about getting shiny new tech for its own sake. It's about making smart, strategic decisions that protect and grow the business. And that brings us right back full circle to where we started. Remember that feeling of being completely overwhelmed by this chaotic tech landscape? Well, the end goal here, whether you're an individual learner or a huge organization, is to get to a state of empowerment, where you feel confident and in control of the technology, not the other way around. And that leaves us with one final, really crucial question to think about. In a world that is constantly changing, where the next big thing is always right around the corner, a clear path forward is invaluable. So what is that clarity worth to you?